Polyactive father that. Yeah man, my name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe, the channel that will all make you smile. Yeah, that me I tell ya. People, we're back from Jamaica, we're back from our trips, but like I say, we brought back all the equipment. You see me? So today, it's close to Christmas time. We're nearly getting to the festive recipes, but we're not really there yet. We're not really there yet. Today, we're cooking a traditional Jamaican curry chicken. Yeah man, not chicken curry, that is from a different country. Curry chicken. Let's go. That is it, people. I'm using a full chicken, come on, the leg, the thigh, the everything. I'm gonna chicken back more on the chicken back in there. Me pull up this video 3 times and say me can't say back in our video. Chicken, I cook. No, I cost a bad word. Cook me, I cook. This is chicken back. Me no want ear, no eyes. Alright, cool. Anyway, can't move on. The season I'm going to be using, I like this Trinidad curry seasoning. I like it better than any other seasoning. I know people will cuss me and say better pack is better, but I like this one. Yeah. Yeah, man. Easy spice, all-purpose seasoning. And we're not going to use the Maggi today. We're going to use some traditional, local Jamaican chicken seasoning brought back from Jamaica. And that's all the dry seasonings that we're going to need. So let me chop up the chicken and get marinating of it. I'm going to chop this up first and then wash it. So yeah. This is the reason why I like to use the full chicken. Okay, you see this part here. Yeah, some good flavour in this part there. So we're gonna chop up this piece needs cleaning up and thing. So I clean up this bit separately, this in here, and chop all this up smaller, the breast, leg and the thigh and arm and something there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah man. Yes people, last little bits chopping up now. You get me? Like a chicken wing. And as you can see in here, you've got everything in there. You've got the wing chopped up. You've got the leg chopped up. You've got a piece of the back in there. Breast in there. Everything's chopped up. Nice and small. You know what I'm saying? All that's left now is this piece of the back. But we've got to give this a clean up and clean all this out and stuff. So, yeah, man. Yeah. Just transferring this chicken seasoning into a pot, people. Use the rest in there still. That is it. Yeah. Should be good. Going for the all-purpose seasoning. So first of all, we've got our chicken seasoned up and ready to go. All right. First things first, heat up your pot and get some oil in there. First of all, that's already hot. So the first thing we're gonna do is put a little bit of curry powder in there and get that moving. It's a bit much there actually. That's cool. It's cool, man. Curry I cook. That is it. We give that a little mix round. Second of all, we're gonna get some onion in there. That is it, people. So here's our seasonings that we're gonna be using after the dry seasoning. Scotch bonnet. I got a one survived there from what I brought back from Jamaica. We got some scallion. We got some garlic, and I'm gonna grab some thyme out of the garden. Oh, why'd you have to be awkward with me? Onion. I need to get this onion in there quickly. The curry powder is already in there. Should have done this already, really. Everything good. Good chop. chop. You don't have to do nothing too. Alright, cool, that's good. Get this. Get them flavours kicking first. That is it. Because that's on a high heat and that's going quickly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop up 2 garlic cloves quickly. Yeah. Chop up 2 garlic cloves. We're going to put that in there just before put the chicken. So I'm going to let the onions saute, whatever you want to call it, for a couple minutes. And then that's it. Right, in goes the garlic. Give that 2 minutes just till you start smelling the fragrance of the garlic. That is it. Ready for the chicken. All that chicken in there. Good vibes. Now we want to fry that off. Give it a high heat. Fry up for like 10 minutes. 5-10 minutes. Whilst the chicken is frying up, people, for like 5-10 minutes, we're gonna get the other seasonings ready. We've got some scallion. We're not gonna put that in yet. And we need some thyme. The thyme's in the garden. So we will go and get that in a minute. And I wanna show you something as well. But we're gonna put this in once we turn down the heat. Once the frying stage is over. Yeah, people, man. It's not looking good in the garden still. Look at the poor banana tree. Them good, man. I don't have to cover them unless there's any frost, which I don't feel like we're all right at the moment. And I live right by the seaside, so there's a lot of salt in the air as well. So yeah. All right. You see down here, people. Here's my thyme. My thyme's still good, so we still got time. Still got time. Just take a piece of that out for now. Don't look great. I've got a good piece there. As you can see, people, it's just Scottish bonnets left. All the leaves are gone. Yeah, it's a sad time of year, but we got our time anyway. Let's go. See it there, people. But what we have got here is the Neesberry plant that I brought back from Jamaica. Unfortunately, RIP to the June plum. Wonder if we can find it, we're on there. RIP to the June plum. I really wanted this to grow, people. I was so upset and I tried to keep it alive as much as possible, but by the time it got back, it was just, it needed reviving and it just didn't have enough power in the weather in England to bring it back to life. But it's strong. Yeah. Give it a little water actually. But yeah, man, are good vibes. So hopefully she lasts until the summertime. At this point, let's go over here. Now this is good because what I want the juice to be building up. I do not want to be adding water. That is just going to take away from all the flavour that we've built up. You know what I'm saying? So we've got a nice bit of juice building up there and that will naturally build up as long as you got it on a low heat. So I'm going to go in with the scallion and the thyme. That is it. Give that a good mix around. Yeah, dash in another half a brown onion as well. And I'll make that rest. I'll tell you why I don't want to put the Scotch bonnet in yet, people, because I don't want the Scotch bonnet to bust in the curry, all right? I just want to get the flavour for it. And the thing is, whilst I'm still stirring it like this, quite vigorously, I don't know if that's the right word, but it's gonna bust if it goes in now. So what I need to do is I need to let this build up a nice juice by itself, And then once I've got a nice consistency of juice, I can just plop it in and I can just stir it round a bit easier and nicely and it won't bust. That is it. So we're gonna leave this for about a good 20 minutes before we look and see if we need the Scotch bonnet yet. That is it. Yes. Scotch bonnet time. It'll go on, man. It'll go on. Just put the rice on as well. That is it. People, we're gonna make a quick little coleslaw to go on the side. Here's me. Simple thing, man. Just carrot, some mayonnaise, a bit of salt. Simple thing. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't subscribed already, do the right thing. Press that like button and get the video moving. That is it, people. This is alright so far. Yeah. Smelling good. You know what I'm saying? So you see how it's a bit easier to like stir it around now so that Scotch bonnet don't bust. That is it, my cooking vibers. I'm gonna get busy this week thinking about, I'm gonna create some ideas. I'm thinking about sorrel, ham. Don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but I'm gonna be thinking of some festive things to do in the weeks forward. You understand? Yeah, man, don't forget, you can still support the foundation. People that are in Jamaica, the YHPONECAMP Foundation, I'll put the link in the description. Please do what you can. People still need help, you understand? Yeah, man. Big up the Neesberry plant. You done know the thing set. The curry's nearly done now. It's been on for probably about an hour since we last left it. So let's have a look and see what I want. That is it. Fully active. Curry chicken. Yeah, man. The rice is done as well. So yeah, let's plate it up and see what I want. Everything in there. Back, wing, thigh, breast, lambakla. Alright, because you know what it is though, people? Some people claim that them a cook and them can't cook rice. Watch how rice fluffy, the man. What? Yo, look how rice fluffy, the man. Don't play games with me, please, because like I say, some people cook sticky rice and claim say them a cook Asian food. I lie, I tell you, can't cook rice. That I tell you, yeah. I don't know your style go already, people. Yardman style, can't go wrong. No, when you get teached by the right people, them, you can't go wrong. Remember, we learn my food from Jamaican people, so we can't go wrong. No. All right, boom, see it there? Let's go for a little bit of coleslaw on the side there. That is it. And then chicken. No man, I had to get a piece of the breast and the back in there as well, you understand? Yeah. A good vibes, people. Let's test it out. That is it, people. Let's get a little piece of the chicken. Some rice. The coleslaw. And man thing now. One thing now, when it comes to curry chicken back. It's a mad thing, you got to get involved, people. That's the one. My favourite part of the curry. Telling that. People. A good vibes. You know what to do. If you ain't subscribed already, do the right thing. Press that like button. Get the video moving. I'll see you next time. That is it.